lotion bars. I already measured our beeswax. It's right over here, pellets here. And now I'm going to be measuring our shea butter. And I'm doing half of the recipe I thought I would do because that was too much. So I'm going to measure 6 ounces of this one here. And measure this. It's beautiful. This one over here, the shea butter, has a turmeric inside. That's why it's very yellow. Okay, so I'm gonna get some of this fan. I'm just gonna take the whole tub. I hope that this is the first time we're making those, so we'll see how it goes. Gotta use the shea butter. Don't want it to expire. Plus I need some lotion because the weather's been so nasty. Need some nice moisturizing lotion for my hands. That's why I'm making those. And these are gonna be honey scented fragrance oil I got from Brambleberry, and I'm gonna have honey in there too. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of honey. Alright, so I have a little bit more, so I'm going to take some out. Perfect.
And if you were where I am right now, you could smell the turmeric from where I am. It's that strong.
The turmeric.
Yeah, the turmeric smell is like...
No, I think that's the shea butter. Just the shea butter.
No, I can definitely smell turmeric in it.
Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna put the coconut oil in there. Measure 5.5 ounces. Almost there. Let's see. Ooh, got a little bit too much. So let me grab some of this out. Wow, look at that, perfect. Okay, and then we're gonna need a little bit of olive oil. Okay, I'm gonna add some fragrance oil over here, and it's oatmeal, milk, and honey. We already melted all the oils in the wax, and we also added a little bit of a teaspoon, actually a tablespoon of honey, manuka honey, and I'm putting a little bit of this stuff in here and see how it smells. And then I may have to put it back into the microwave. Okay, so I have those little honey molds over here, and I'm gonna put them in here. Let's see. Well, looks good so far. We'll see what it's gonna look like when they're solidified. These are our honey lotion bars. We'll see how they'll come out, how they turn out. Because this is the first time making lotion bars. So these are not going to be for sale right now. We're going to actually have people try out first, because that's what we do with everything we make before we sell it. I think we have a little bit left, and we're done, and we're gonna come back tomorrow, and we're gonna after this solidify and see what they look like. So we'll see you in a second. Okay, we're back, guys, and these are the lotion bars. That's what they look like, the one that we got the mold from Brambleberry, and we used the Brambleberry fragrance oil, oatmeal, milk and honey, and we also used manuka honey in here, shea butter, and coconut oil, and olive oil, and beeswax. And I'm gonna post the recipe on below the video over here. So I'm gonna mold some more over here. So the recipe that I used, I kind of like made my own, but I used the percentage that the soap gal has on her video. And there's a video that she's doing about lotion bars, and she gives you the percentage of the oils and butters you can use to make a very good lotion bar, and I really like it. So shout out to the soap gal. We're gonna give you the link on the description below, so you guys can go check it out. And I give you my recipe, a really small amount, so you guys can try your own. But that's how you make your lotion bars. So I'm gonna see they pop out really nicely. Look how beautiful these are. I'm gonna pop all these out, and then I made enough for more. So we got like 6 more little ones. I didn't have any more molds because these over here, we're trying it out, see if we like this mold. I really like it, so I'm gonna buy more. Okay, so that's what they look like. And then I have this one over here. These are just molds I bought on Amazon, and it's just doesn't have any designs. It's just like a little like cake mold, like a cookie mold. And that's what I got. I got 6 more on this one for the amount that I used. They were about 16 ounces, I think. About that, maybe a little bit more. But the lotion bars smell really nice. They smell like oatmeal and honey for real. And these, we're not gonna sell them. We're actually gonna give them to our friends and family, because we want them to try them before we sell them. That's what we do with everything we make. Oh, this one is kind of weird. Oh, look what happened to this one. I think the honey did not. Okay, so this one. Okay, that's what you can see here. The honey did not go all in there. Maybe it was too much, and then so that's what could happen. You don't have to use honey with this recipe. You can just put a little bit. I think I put a little bit too much, and it kind of caked on this one. So this one is a bad one. Well, we learned from that, didn't we, Kelsey? So you know not to put a lot of honey in there. I probably should have put like maybe a teaspoon, a little bit. I guess I put more than a tablespoon. So, but that's okay, you know. I'm not gonna use this one. That's fine. We can probably remelt it. I don't know. Do something else with that. But these are the ones that we used. I mean, these are the ones that they came out really good, and they feel good. I already tried. I have a little thing over here that was left over, and I already tried it. Well, the way you use these are, like I said before, they're lotion bars. Here it is one. What do? You put it in your hands right here, and the warmth of your hand melts the bar a little bit. See, you can kind of see that there. And then you go like this, you put all over your hand. It's just like applying lotion, but this doesn't have any parabens, doesn't have any preservatives. It's just like I said before, shea butter, olive oil, coconut oil, and a little bit of honey, and beeswax. So very natural. It feels really nice on your hands, not too greasy. And also somebody told me to use tapioca flour, I think, and cornstarch, something like that. I'm gonna check it out to make it less greasy. So we're gonna check that out too, and see. We're gonna make a batch like that, see which one we like more. We're gonna make different batches, see what we like, what we like more, and have our friends try it and see what they like, what they think. Alright, thank you for watching this little video how to make your own lotion bars. I hope you try it. Let me know if you have any questions. This is our first batch. If you have any suggestions, please comment below. Tell me what do you think. And if you have any tips, we will appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.